What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick mod on the 21 Scat Pack Wide Body Challenger. Today we're going to be making these letters black. Alright, so here we have the package from reflectiveconcepts.com. I went with the gloss black. I didn't want to actually take off the letters and get new emblems yet because I wanted to see how it would look. So we went with this. It is Mopar officially licensed, and something nice that Reflective Concepts does is they give you 2 of every letter, so in case you screw one up, you have a backup. It was about $12 with free shipping. So let's go over how we're going to put these on. First step, just get yourself a rag or a Q-tip, put some alcohol on it. You're going to clean each letter, let it dry, and then we're going to stick these puppies on there. Until you find your way back home. Alright, so now that we have all the decals applied, let's peel them off and see how they look. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. There we have it. Gloss black letters with a tiny chrome outline. Here it is from a distance so you can see it, but it's a little more discreet. It's still there. I think it looks very clean. Changed it up a little bit, still makes it noticeable, but not overpowering with chrome like it was before. Let me know what you guys think, and I hope you like it.